Hey, my name is Jay, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Fabrio. Today I'm going to walk you through the platform from a student's perspective. First, they'll come to the homepage, and they'll be able to log on using the button on the top right. They then will be able to enter a username that's been provided to them, and a password that they've previously set using the platform. Once logged in, it will take you to a dashboard where the student will be able to pick up from the last part of the course they were on. They'll be able to see the number of courses that they've completed, as well as they'll be able to see a list of the assigned courses to them by a teacher. Let's go to the Browse Courses page. This page shows all the current available courses to the student. We can filter the course type by beginner, project and advanced. Let's go to the projects. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to walk you through the brick project. All the projects and courses are laid out in the exact same way for ease of use. On the overview page, we can see a description and some prerequisites. The prerequisites aren't crucial for the students to complete, but it's advised that they do so to make the projects a little bit easier for them. If we head to the curriculum, and again for the purpose of this video, I'm going to head to the Making the Block section. On the left hand side, we can see a breakdown of step-by-step instructions that the students will follow whilst using Fusion 360. On the right hand side, we can see the Fabrio logo, and I'll explain what that does in a second. As they click through to the next step, on some steps they'll either see a GIF or an image. They'll be able to see instructions that they need to follow out. For example, if they're drawing a rectangle in a sketch in Fusion 360, they'll be able to also click on the image showing the sketch, making it larger, making it easier for them to see finer details. Let's move to the last step now. As you notice, the diagram changes in the right hand side. We can make this bigger, and now this shows the file, the block that the student should be working to for this step. So this is a basic part of the brick, the block, the starting point. On the left hand side, we can see there is a step code. If the students copy this code, this will now allow them to check the file in Fusion 360 against the file on the platform. Let's do this now. If I move over to Fusion 360, I can sign in using the same credentials that I used from the platform. They will only need to do this once per session. They will enter the code that they've just copied from the step. They'll set it, and they'll be able to check it. Great, we've got it right. What happens now if they got this wrong? If I've extrude cut this just by a little bit, I check this again, that's not quite right. Great, so we are able to check whether the students are doing the work correctly or incorrectly. This will help them progress through the courses better, and as the courses develop, as they get harder, they will still be able to use a check function for the same reasons. Thank you for listening, and this is the platform.